I've been designing controllers, arcade controllers for 5 years now, and I'm heavily involved in the fighting game community. I travel out throughout the U.S., to market out my work and everything. And so today I'm gonna be teaching, starting a workshop now for making controllers. Yeah, I will be providing you a hands-on experience on how to make a controller out of an Xbox. And so you're gonna wind up, going home with a badass controller, out of an Xbox. We're gonna gut one out and make a controller out of it.